Good morning and happy Wednesday to you. And if everyone can please stand up. And remember, friends, that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, friends, it is time for our recitation. And remember, the very first thing we do is the title and the author. And what is the title? Correct, Rain. And who is our author? Robert Louis Stevenson. Excellent. And when you are doing recitation, how are you standing? With your hands at your sides, in your pockets, or behind your back. And where are your eyes? On the audience. And where are the audience's eyes? On you. And what kind of voice should you have? You are correct. A normal voice that is projected. All right, so is everybody ready? Okay, here we go. Rain by Robert Louis Stevenson. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It falls on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. And then, of course, you will take your bow. And if you were here, your friends would be, woohoo, yay, yay. All righty, friends. And now it is time for morning meeting. And remember, the very first thing you will do is turn the clock to morning. If you were here, you would, of course, write your name. Mrs. Harrell would give you a sticker. And then I would say, all righty, friends, you are on. And you would say, this whole thing is called a calendar. And this is called a month. And what month are we in? October. And what sight word is in October? 2. And this is called the year. And what year are we in? 2020. Now, friends, if yesterday was Tuesday, then today is Wednesday. But let's go ahead and double check and make sure we are correct. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And we have a number day missing, so let's go ahead and count and see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's do our ABB pattern. Rectangle, circle, circle, rectangle, circle, circle, rectangle. And what number are we looking for? Yep, the number 7. No? Yeah? No? Ta-da! Okay, the number 7 goes here. Alrighty, friends, so now I need to write today's date. So I am going to need your help with writing the month. So please help me with the letters in the month, beginning with capital O, C, T. Make sure we are writing a Danielian T and adding that monkey tail. O, hey, there's that sight word. 2, T-O. B, E, and finally R, October. And then I'm going to finger space, and what digit am I going to write? A7, followed by Is a comma number? Nope. It is a space. And then let's go ahead and write today's, let's write our year. Please tell me the digits. 2, 0, 2, and 0. And friends, make sure that you are writing your numbers and your letters on the lines. Just like when we practice our guided class practice with our letters, and make sure all of your letters, your capital letters go from top to bottom. Your lowercase letters are written underneath the dotted line. Alrighty, friends. So if yesterday we were here 44 days, what would today be? 45? Oh, I don't know. Let's use Mr. Tens and Mrs. Ones to help. All right, so I am going to draw them out. Can you tell me when to stop? All right, so here we go. 10, 20, 30, keep going. 40. Oh, okay, so Mrs. Ones now. Okay. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Ah, stop. Okay. All right. So let's see if what we have here with Mr. Tens and Mrs. Ones matches our days in school tag. So let's see. So let's go ahead and graph it on our days in school graph. So are we going to add anything to our 100s column? No. How about our 10s column? Well, let's see. 1. Oh, hold on. Let's do it this way. 2 plus 2 equals 4. All right. So I am definitely going to write a 4 right here in my 10s column. And let's see how many Mrs. Ones we have. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so right here I am going to write a 6. Now let's see if our days in school tag matches. Our days in school tag reads 45. So let's go ahead and see. Do we have 4 Mr. Tens? Do we have 5 Mrs. Ones? We do not have 5 Mrs. Ones. We have 6. Yikes. So friends, if we have 6, which is incorrect, what do we have to do? I have 6, but I need 5. So what do I do? Take 1 away? Okay. All right. So now let's count and see what I have. Count with me. Hold on. Let me hold on to these. These kind of look like popsicle fingers. All right. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So now what I have to do here is I have to change this Mrs. Ones to a 5. All right. So now let's double check. Do we have 4 Mr. Tens? 5 Mrs. Ones? So how many days have we been in school? 45. Wow. That's a lot of days, my friends. 45 days. Now, before we get to doing our counting, I want to go ahead and let's do our months of the year. Okay, beginning with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now, let's go ahead and count our months ordinally. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. Now, friends, what ordinal number would the month of February be? What ordinal number would the month of February be? Did you say second? Ding, 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 ding. What ordinal month would November be? What ordinal month would November be? Ask yourself this question. If October is 10th, what would November be? If you said 11, ding, 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 you are correct. Excellent, my friends. And let's go ahead and begin our counting by tens. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's go ahead and count by fives. Remember, we will not stop there. We will continue going up until we reach 100. So here we go. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Excellent. All right, now before we do our let's go ahead and do our song. Okay, let's go ahead and do our coin song. All right, so here we go. How much is a penny? How much is a nickel? How much is a dime? How much is a quarter? A penny is 1. A nickel is 5. A dime is 10. And a quarter's 25. And a dollar is 100 cents. Very, very good. Now, friends, let's go ahead and do our coin cup. Coin cup, coin cup. But before we do that, let's make sure that we know how many are in our coin cup. And in our coin cup, we have some coins. And this is this is a penny. And a penny is worth 1 cent. And when we count pennies, we count them by ones. And remember, when we are counting, don't go ahead of me. Count when you hear this. Okay, ready? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 cents. So let's see if our 10 cents in our coin cup matches the coins on our morning meeting board. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it does match. So now I have to write 10 cents. And how do I write the number 10? Okay, a 1 and a 0. And how do I write a cent sign? Okay, so a letter C with a what? With a line drawn down the middle of it, right? That looks kind of odd. It's because I'm writing it on the penny. So let's move closer here. All right. Like that, yes? All right. Now, Let's go ahead and count back from 10 all the way to 1. And remember, we're going to count very, very quietly. And when we get here, then we will say, blast off. So here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Very, very good. All righty, friends. So I will see you in just a little bit. All right, make sure that you come prepared for our live session. Bye, friends.